Welcome to the students. So today we are going to see the topic tuples. It's in problem solving in Python programming. Myself, Dr. Sudhakar from CSE department. So directly we go for our topic. So tuple. So tuple is a type of a sequence like what we discussed in the earlier videos as list that resembles a list actually. Okay, so expect that it is the immutable one. So list is immutable one, tuple is the immutable one. So we cannot able to access the element or data directly, not able to change it. So you can indicate a tuple literally in Python by enclosing its elements in a parenthesis instead of square brackets. Yes. So we can represent the tuple as parenthesis, not a square bracket. Okay, square bracket we are used for list. In tuple we are used for parenthesis. So most of the operators and functions used with the list in a similar fashion with tuples. And comparably, everything is the same, but it is an immutable one. So this is the most important point. So anytime you forecast using a list whose structure will not change. Yes, you can use a tuple. So you can no one will access. So if not you can restrict everything in tuples. So for example here it was shown here. So fruits is a tuple, apple, comma banana. So it is a tuple. So fruits we can if we display fruits, apple, banana, same thing. Meats, fish, poultry. Yes. So food is equal to meats plus fruit. Yes, it will be displayed is like a concatenation. Meats plus fruits. Apple, meat first fish, poultry, apple, banana. It's a concatenated. So veggies is equal to celery and beans. Tuple of veggies means celery and beans. It will be displayed. So this is tuple. And how it is working with tuple. See the example, it was easy to understand. It's a collection of objects. This is the definition, which ordered and immutable one. So it's a collection of elements, which is ordered one and immutable one. So there is a sequence like a list. So the main difference that we discuss is that is a tuple is immutable one, list is immutable one, and here we used in parentheses. In list we are using the square bracket. And creating a tuple is a simple by putting the different comma separated values. So this is the thing. Example, tuple 1 is equal to physics, chemistry like this. We can use this also right. So tuple and this is also is a right. So double parent quote A, double quote B, comma, double quote within the C, within the double quote D. So the empty tuple is written as two parentheses containing nothing. So this is called as empty tuple. For example, tap1 is equal to empty, even empty parenthesis. And one more thing, if you want to enter a single value in the tuple, you can use after entering the one value, you can use a comma also. So then only it will consider as a single value. Okay, yes. So how we can delete the tuple? So already told it is immutable one. We cannot able to delete the individual elements in a tuple, but here we can using then remove enter tuple. Just use the delete statement. For example, delete tuple. For example, if I want to delete the tuple, directly delete the whole thing. So you cannot able to delete the individual element within the tuple. This is and these are all the operations used in the tuple. Length of operation we can use 1 2 3. Yes, result is 3. This is the length of finding, counting the length element. And this is concatenation we can use. And high, this is the repetition. Okay, this is the repetition, but there's a multiplication of how many of times. Here star 4, so the reason 4 high is the repetition. And there's a memorization, whether it is the absence or element presence inside the tuple also we can use, we can check. And iteration process also we can check here. And built-in tuple functions. So Python includes the following tuple functions. It's a comparison, we can able to do that. So the first one is this comparison, compares the elements of both tuples, and it gives the total length of the tuple, length function. And max represents, max of the tuple represents, it gives the value of, it gives the maximum value from the tuple mentioned here. And minimum is, it gives the um, minimum value from the available items in the tuple. And this is the tuple sequences. It converts the list to the tuple. Yes, it converts the list to the tuple. We can able to convert it and a tuple to the list to the tuple for our required function. So this is overall summation of the tuple. The main same, both are same operations, functionalities, everything same, but it is immutable one. List is mutable one. This is speciality of tuple in the Python program. And thank you, students. We can see in some other lecture videos.